Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we are going to talk about struvite crystals. Struvite crystal have the common name struvite, but its chemical name is magnesium ammonium phosphate, or it is called as triple phosphate. Why? Because it is made from magnesium, ammonium, and phosphate aggregates. So that was about its name. About its shape, it is coffin. It has coffin lid shape, or they are called as prism-like crystals. You can see this diagram that it has the shape as of the lid of the coffin, or you can see this clip art of its image. They prefer neutral to alkaline pH. So, if the urine of your animal is neutral to alkaline, you can probably have these crystals. But yeah, as far as dogs and cats are concerned, these are most common in dogs and cats, and even in clinically normal patients, you are going to see. So, they have no significance. Why? Because even like they not only indicate the pathology, they are even physiologically present in the body. So not always you are going to have the idea of disease diagnosis via these crystals. Or when you see a sample of, you are evaluating a sample of urine of a cat or a dog under a microscope, and you see struvite crystal, don't get panic that, oh, the your like dog or cat is going to have urinary stones. No, it is clinically normal. Even in the healthy patient, you are going to see. So relate to the other factors too. Not only like this pH, no, neutral to alkaline, but also urinary tract infections are going to give a proper environment or optimum environment for the struvite crystals to grow, especially these urease positive bacteria, because the if your animal is having a UTI with urease positive bacteria, it is going to increase the urine pH and increase free ammonia. So as the pH will increase, and the pH is going to be towards alkaline, the struvite crystals can grow. So you have to relate, like these crystals can happen in your animal without any disease or with any disease. So relate to the other medical reports too, and have a thorough evaluation of your animal, that why he is having struvite crystals. Now we have talked about their indications. What are the treatment goals? Like dissolution goals. Dissolution means that all those methods that we do or we attempt to dissolve these stones and dissolve these crystals in the urine and have them out of the body. Or prevention goals, you can say. So first you have to decrease the magnesium in the diet. To deal with the ammonia, you have to decrease the protein diet, and whatsoever protein diet you are feeding, feed it high quality. So you have to decrease the protein in quantity but increase it in quality. So this will decrease the urine urea that is converted to ammonia by microbial urease. So when there will be no ammonia by formation or decrease ammonia formation, the pH will shift from alkaline to neutral to bit acidic. So that will be a hurdle for struvite crystals to get aggregated and form stones. So similarly, decrease the phosphate. You have to decrease the phosphorus diets. Now also you can use like antibiotics in dogs having associated with infection, because like you have these UTIs, so treat these UTIs with antibiotics. So you can have reduced pH, because these bacteria are basically causing the pH change, and you are going to have the treatment of these stones. But this is, antibiotics are only recommended in the case of dogs, not in the case of cats, because cats have sterile struvite. That means they have without any disease. And there is also one more treatment goal that you can have is feed anything and feed such diets that will cause the pH of the urine to or shift the pH of the urine towards the acidic. Here you see another thing that you have seen this. This is a general form of struvite, that they are like prism like crystals or coffin lid type. But you are also going to see these shapes of the struvite. So don't get confused. These are also other forms of struvite that are rare, but they might happen sometime. But you can still see this thing, this lid type thing, and this lid type thing of the like coffin lid type shape, and you can like easily distinguish that these are struvite crystals. So that was all about struvite crystals. Thank you so much.